estágio outro, tá vendo? O estágio externo. Tem novos propulsores aqui. Tem novos propulsores. Basically, all these things are just huge tanks. That's what the engine is about. Aqui tem mais um. That's what we have.
Now 39 feet up at one-time test director, test conductor, the system's good. And most of our launch directors are, so they know the job from all of the positions. And our new launch director, Charlie Thompson, is the same way. She was the test director at the time. Now she is the launch director. And so she certainly knows the job. And they have Now we're going to come back this way so you guys will get some more pictures. Now the crawler weighs 6 million pounds. The launch platform weighs. The big crane there is evidence of that. And the hangar's been here about a year. SpaceX, and they've landed 5 first stages. And you notice the pad is elevated. And the reason is this ground is very swampy. If you dig a hole in the ground, you're going to get water in it. So we need the flame trench to be dry. Ironically, to that water interacts with the flame, the exhaust, and it reduces, it transfers actually acoustic energy to steam energy. Now, SpaceX will remove the structure on the left, which is called the rotating structure. The big rectangle has the launch pad pedestals. So this is exactly what it would look like up on the pad. And the big ports for the exhaust, you can see. It's got everything except a big hole in the ground. That's the only thing it's missing. And we're about slowly moving it back out again. Oh, it must be the NASA 400, I think, right? Yep, it's about that time. Almost. But anyway, there's the crawler, and that's the other one. And that one's been spiffed up. It's been made beefier because it has to carry the extra weight.
For the comfort, safety, and viewing pleasure of all our guests, we ask that you refrain from flash photography.
atrás de mim é a estação espacial que levou o homem à Lua, o Apolo, a missão Apolo 1. Esse é o estágio primeiro, que é a parte que desacopla do foguete. Sobre os aviões de guerra que realmente foram usados na guerra. Ele tem um estilo meio retrô, meio estranho. Tem 41 aviões, dos quais 11 continuam voando. O principal problema deles não é nem a manutenção dos aviões, mas a documentação com o governo dos Estados Unidos para autorizar essas aeronaves a voarem e também de ter piloto capaz de dirigir sem o equipamento moderno.
Now the rumble is going to come in a minute. Don't be alarmed, okay? It's coming. Not bad. It's far enough away.
T-minus 10, 9,
All right, we can kill the
8,
audio.
7, 6, 5, 4. We have engine ignition. 2, 1.
All right.
And
The audio can be turned
liftoff
off.
from the United Launch Alliance Delta IV rocket
Please turn
carrying
the
the
audio.
WGS-8 mission for the United States Air Force.
There you go. Here comes the rumble. It'll build a little bit here. It's far enough away though. It's going through the clouds. Look at that. See, it's gone through max Q already, maximum dynamic pressure. Sound barrier. And well, you won't hear it, by the way, the boom. Typically you hear the sonic boom on the way down or up as it goes back, but not climbing out. Now, the next thing we might see is the solid rocket boosters coming off. And that should be coming up within about another minute or so. There are 4 of them. two will come off first, and then a few seconds later, the other two. If we can see them, they'll look like little sparklers coming off.